Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel this week. Today we're going to finish off what we started last week with the vintage Wilkinson Pall Mall 7-day set. I've already done the first three: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So today I'll do the remaining four: Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So here we are, just to recap. I'll give it another little polish. So it's got a nice satin finish, quite a subtle finish to it. The pop-up button still quite firm. So there we have the vintage Pall Mall set, and I'll just take this wrapper off. This is just to protect the inside of the cover. And there we have the new logo design on the new padded red leather liner. So all looking nice and posh. So we'll take out Sunday, Saturday, Friday and Thursday, and start to load up. Let's pop this back for now. I'll just put my glasses on for this, so I see what I'm doing. Adjustable blade, as we've seen before. It can go all those different angles. But I just use it straight, just lock it in place. These blades are quite heavy. You can see there's quite a bit of patina there. I got rid of the rust, but I still maintained the writing, Wilkinson Sword, and on the opposite side there. So we'll just load up. There we go. Bit of light on the subject. One thing I've noticed with these handmade blades is they're all just slightly different. This one's medium aggressive. But it's taking a 5-day beard off. Beauty of these single edged blades is you've got all the advantages of a hollow ground razor. You push that in, push that lever in there and just lift it off. Simple as that. Really dead easy. And yeah, you got the advantages of a hollow ground blade, but in a safety holder. So as and when the blade needs to be refreshed, and just simply sharpen it up. Or you can send them back to me and I'll refresh them for you. No worries. So that's Saturday and Sunday. Push that in, lift it out. My hands are a bit soapy. Slot it in there, like that, press it in, and it just clips in, he says, like that. Nice and solid. Each blade's quite weighty, so and now for the last blade. Press it in, lift it out. Slot it in, let it drop, and there we go. It's quite easy once you get the hang of things, just like anything else. So there we have it. If you want to have a change from plastic disposable blades This is a nice 7-day set which will last you your lifetime at least. It's great to put a bit of nostalgia back into your shave routine. I think so anyway. So there we have it, a Wilkinson Pall Mall, a very nice condition. Handle's nice and clean, and a bit of nostalgia dating back to 1905 or thereabouts. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch up with you next week. Bye for now. Bye bye.